Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma Ulaong ba kejing pin kenria ya ki Nongdie Madan Shillong kalong banwa di kejing jan hapadeng kejingïada kilat Kamai bat kejing pin bet biang i kijaka paidbah habalet jungo ya kapolo vendors market ke thymmai Ulaong bawat la kani kejing pin kala kan wanrah i kejingïada Hynrei kalong ke badan kam ban Pynkhuid ya ki Lynti Ïaid ban pinsuk ya galet kawan kayo pulo kadon shispa lai pu artli ki stall ha ka ba sabu prangot ki Nongdie kiwan na pulo bat prapasangot na Jylla road bat nyo pu arngot kila shim jaka du Mynta usang mau la kerpat ki Nongdie halai mkra bat ha Jylla road ban ai jinga trailang da ka baong ba ka sorkar kam thmu ban shim no ya ki jing im jongno Hynrei Ngi Hap ban ko ngu ya ki jing btha jong ke yang bishar ki Nongdie ki badon ni certificate of vending kinyo jingrap 8000 kata 10000 hagabas dang bat 8000 manu benai hadu san benai kani ke jingpen kenria kalong hapo ke Meghalaya street vendor scheme 8000 arphulai bat ke sorkar ke thmu ban bniah ya kani ke rukom shikiwe pat ki jaka ban pin bhai ke jingai paidbah ke Pynkhuid bat ke shong sup shong san
The mission of the government is really to ensure that we balance things. And when I say balance, we need to keep in mind the livelihood of the people. All of these people have earnings from this small shop they have or space they have. So our intention is to protect that to the maximum extent possible. But at the same time, realizing that in some way it has been a bit disorganized, where if you look at the different locations, some have been in footpaths, which has blocked the way for the general public. It has not allowing the people to use the footpaths and the pavements anymore, and at the same time also creating a lot of disruption within the city and also affecting the overall look of the city. So these are the two factors which we are trying to balance. There will never be a perfect solution, we know that. Then there will always be challenges. There will always be compromises. So the objective of the government is to find the best solution, the best mix and the best possible way in which we can create a best win-win solution. So that's what we're trying to do. And I'm very, very thankful, especially to the hawkers who have cooperated. There are some locations where we are still having challenge. I urge them also to please cooperate. We are not here to make life difficult for anyone. We're definitely not here to take away their livelihood. We understand the challenges they face. But at the same time, we have to keep public order. We have to keep the pavements and the footpaths also in proper shape so that the general public does not face inconvenience. So that's what we're trying to do. Thank you so much.
Iperti yang tau ki Iwan kowi ko param ko au khanai phi
Ivanไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พะกามนี่หามเป็นโบดยังกินหลักพา
bun sen ki brum juk kli pha ki yang tang ki khmat phom chna yi ya phayo dai
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สู้กากรัมมอต่อระบุนกากรัมเต็มเอเตียรีกีก็กองกันน่ะ
อยากคิดอยู่งานนี่นะมาแม่คิดมาวันนี้ประมาณแอมยาวฮะ
แม่สเตลงามสร้างเกี่ยวกับเก่า
Tapi ni perdi yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngak ko ai amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa wong. Hikai ko nongkong daga sampul desain ko ar dah hikai daga desain mana je ya kan ya sampul desain.
Segini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kampung dah terang la do mesin dia sikit kamu kwa.